Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to delete dual apps on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if there are too many dual messenger on your cell phone, you have to delete them because they take up a lot of memory and your quota or your data cellular. So in this time, because there are a lot of dual messenger on my cell phone, I will delete them. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, I will give you two tutorial. And the first thing first, now you can search the apps that you want to delete. Now you can long press and then you can click uninstall. And then the second tips, now you can go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down and go to advanced feature, and then now you can scroll down again and then go to dual messenger, and then after that now you can turn off the dual messenger on each apps. Alright guys, so yeah, the dual apps will deleted from your cell phone. Okay guys, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching.